Namaste from me to you. I'm Sharmila and welcome to Swayambhu Discover Yourself. Today we will focus on four words: put, port, picture, self. So let's start with the first word put. P-U-T, put. Put in, put out, put down, put off, put away, put forward. Kia put on her red dress. Some parents put too much pressure on their children to study. Lena put on weight. Put a stamp on the envelope before you post it. Pavika, please put away your toys in the bag. Put the dishes into the sink. Put your hat on. Put out the light. Sita put the key in her bag. The second word is port. P-O-R-T, port. Seaport, airport, USB port. The Mumbai airport is the busiest airport in India. The ships reach the port. Kobe is famous as a port city. Could you tell me the way to the port? Owing to the cyclone, the ship could not leave port. I need a new USB port. You can buy USB ports online. Mumbai port is the largest seaport in India. The third word is picture. P-I-C-T-U-R-E, picture. Big picture, a good picture. Take a picture. Hamsa gave me a picture of a tiger. Prajna colored the picture with color pencils. Excuse me, would you take a picture for us? This picture is beautiful. We must frame up this picture. Who painted this picture? Shruti painted the picture. What a beautiful picture. That's a nice picture. The fourth word is self. Yourself, myself, inner self, outer self, self-confidence, self-esteem, self-employed. Building your outer self will build your attractiveness. Building your inner self will build your success. Building your outer self will build your attractiveness. Building your inner self will build your success. You should learn self-defense. Self-confidence is the key to success. Many people suffer from low self-esteem. Ravi was not his normal self today. He was angry at his own self. Self-help is the best help. Make such decisions in life that support your self-image, self-esteem, and self-worth. So that's all for today. Meet you in my next class. Till then, stay healthy, stay blessed, and take care. Thank you for being my inspiration. Be happy always.